Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sanjana. In today's video, I will be doing a walkthrough of the Tinychange 2023 Life Planner. So let's get started. Okay, here is the Life Planner. Honestly, I've come across this brand a few times before while I was looking for planners on Amazon, and I was never really attracted to it, or I never really felt like going and getting it, or even like looking at the planner. I'm not really sure why. I think probably I was looking for a different style. So thanks for all of those who requested this video. And this planner, it looks like there's a lot packed into it. They have some like why they've named it the Tinychange, and they've got really good reviews. So let's look at what's inside the planner. It says 12 steps to make 2023 your best year. You have some self-discovery exercises. So this is more like journaling prompts to get to know yourself. Identify your top 3 goals, make a clear roadmap for each of them. I think this is really nice. Like for goal setting, I usually set up my goals in my main planner in the ink bucket, and there's like plain space, or it's divided into different categories. What I do is I create most of the exercises what they've given here in my journal. Like while I do my journaling, I have a set of journaling prompts that I follow, and like a process that I follow in order to come to a conclusion, like what my goal would be. And I also create the quintessential plan in order to achieve that goal. But it's nice that it's already included in this planner. So if you're someone who just wants like the practical usage of a planner, and you're not too focused on creativity and like setting up your planner with stickers and all the decorative accessories that you get, then this would be really good. Then you have make a plan to enhance the quality of life across 4 key areas. So I can see like it's actually blurred, but I can see relationships and yeah, there are like 4 different areas. And then it says design your ideal week and day to help you achieve your goals. This is good too. I also have an ideal day workbook that I use in order to do this. I've never really done ideal week. I think it'll be interesting to try that concept. But ideal day, I have like a workbook that I follow, and it really helps. You need not follow it to a T. Like it's just to help you guide yourself throughout the week and throughout the day. That definitely helps. Then you have make a blueprint for each month with events and tasks. So you have a monthly calendar, you have a couple of like prompts and priorities and stuff. And then on the right hand side you have a space to make like lists. Then you have plan your days, track habits, celebrate wins. So this is more like weekly planner, I guess. On the left hand side you have all your weekdays, on the right hand side you have weekends. Then this might be like a water tracker, then a few other things. The problem with these kind of images is you can't really see like what exactly is there. Like even if I zoom in, it's quite blurred out. So that's just a slight problem. Then review at the end of the month and do some fun doodling. So monthly reflections, and then a little bit of like, I don't know if it's a coloring page or they've given you like an example of how to doodle. Okay, then you have track the effectiveness of each day across 4 key variables. Okay, so yeah, there's like some 2023 day effectiveness dashboard. This is a like a new thing that I have seen. Yeah, anything I try to like keep a track of for the entire year, in the year at a glance pages, it never works out. I always fall out of it, and it's just I feel like too much to keep up with. But you don't really have, just because these spreads are there in a planner, you don't really have to use all of them. Pick if like 80% of the spreads that are there in here matches what you're looking for, then go ahead. It's okay. You don't really have to use each and every page that they have given in a planner. Then you have plan your monthly budget, track daily expenses. That's cool as well. Then take up some 100-day project and track completion. I came across a book recently which was like the 100-day project plan or something, and it really caught my eye. I felt like if you have been trying to do something for a long time but you haven't really gotten to it because you feel like it's such a big thing to do, I think to start off as a 100-day project would be really good. Like I think I can make another video. Probably I will try doing something like this for 2023. I think I'll do a video after New Year on that. Then you have use the 20 plus curated life kit list. So I think this might be like books to read, like movies to watch, and those kind of things. Then you have a word of the day inspiration list. So that's a nice addition as well. Let's see the features. You have like an imported vegan leather cover that lasts longer. Then you have 110 GSM paper, so this is quite good too. Dual bookmarks and ribbons and pen loops. So I like two bookmarks, one on the monthly and one on the weekly. Then created saddle stitch, so you're like flat open. You have a back pocket, then you have an elastic closure. Okay, these are coloring pages, they're not exactly like doodling pages, so you can color them. And then you can also access to Tinychange World to download. Oh, this is good. Like you can download a few self-development resources as well. That is nice. I really like that concept of QR codes and like scanning stuff to access a few things. I think it's an interesting like concept, yeah. Then this weekly like page is created, what do they call it, science-based design to win your day. So you have priorities, and then you have a blank section like to make notes or like add stickers. And like I like plain or lined. These things, the priorities might be a good addition, sometimes it might not really work. And then you have Saturday and Sunday. Okay, Saturday and Sunday are cut off, like, it's cut into halves. And on the right side, you have like a reflection, achievements, learnings, gratefulness section. Okay, this is the habit tracker, it's not water tracker. And then the weekly challenges. Okay, it's nice. And they've given explanation for all of the points or like sections that are included in the weekly spread. Then it also comes with like mini planning tools. One is a pocket size mini planner and the other one is pocket size meal planner. I love it. I'm using the Alicia Souza mini, the planner, that the mini notebook that came with the planner, and you have monthly calendars. I'm using that to track like household stuff, and it's just so nice, that small thing. And then there were a few other pocket-sized notebooks that had come free with the Tatiana's planner as well as Ink Bucket's planner last year. So for 2022. I'm using one of those. I'm using it for my grocery list. I really like that size. So this one is actually, wait, here it says it's A6, but then here it says it's A5. So I'm thinking it is A6. I don't think it's A5. I feel the planner might be A5, the main planner. So here you just have like for every week, like Monday to Sunday, you just have it like for 52 weeks. And then you have workout, exercise tracker, daily gratitude journal, sidekick. Oh, you can use it as these things. Okay, I thought all of these spreads are like included. Yeah, it'll be really nice for like if you're just starting out with journaling, then you can use this for that, like one line a day or how much ever you can write that fits in the space. That would be really nice. This year, I tried daily journaling in the botanical story planner, and it just works out so well. So if you want to start off with journaling, you don't know where to start, I would recommend like getting a small planner or just a small like pocket size notebook, or this one just is just totally perfect. And you can start off with that to develop that habit. And also you can do that 100-day challenge for journaling, see if that works out for you. Then you have meal planner too. So breakfast, lunch, snacks, and dinner. this is good as well. Or if you don't want to plan your meals, you can use this for content. Like if you have a channel, if you're uploading content, I think this would be great because you have Monday to Sunday. Then you can like rename these sections: YouTube, Instagram, reply to comments and like reply to DMs. So that would be really nice because those are the things that I'm tracking right now. So I just thought I could share it with you guys. Then it says gift yourself and your dear one a year of productivity and mindfulness. It comes with 3 sticker pages, and this is like inside the planner itself, and then motivational stickers, and it also comes with bookmarks and thank you cards. It's pretty packed, and I feel like it's like they call it, like, it's a life planner. So pretty much everything is there. You've got the meal planner, the budgeting, goal setting, and like, doing your tracking your projects and all of that. I think this is pretty good, especially for the price that that's currently available at, which is 1099. I think that's really nice, and also it comes pretty fast. So if you for me, what happens is with 2023 planners, I order it and I get really impatient. I feel like I just want those planners delivered to me like right away. So this would be really nice. And I'm so far this year I bought like one planner from the store, and I was just so excited to have the planner with me, even though, like, you don't use it right away, but it's just really exciting. So it comes to you pretty soon as well. Obviously, it would depend on the delivery code, but you would, yeah, I think you would get it pretty soon. So you have like 3 different colors. One is this sort of like sea blue, and the other one is navy, and then you have black. Black looks pretty good. Black and navy, I feel, uh, look a lot nicer. Yeah. And this meal planner, wait, I think it's a little bit different. Oh, the price is more too. Okay, this is called, it's actually undated, and okay, it's larger in size as well. It's B5 size. I've got the Neora planner in A5 size. It feels pretty good, larger in size. Uh, it's nice. Like if you need more space, I think this is really good. And also some of the, like, you have more sections. Oh, this looks more interesting. I think I'll do a walkthrough again, like a separate video on this one, because it seems like there are a lot of other spreads, and like it's slightly different. Okay, so the navy one is 1049, and the blue one is 1099. I would actually pick the navy one because the color looks good, and even this one is different too. Oh, this it's not the same planner. This is like undated, and this one is dated. Sorry for the confusion. I'll look at those two planners in another video. I'll do an undated Tinychange planner walkthrough, but this one looks pretty good to me. Like all of the features are included. I wouldn't personally pick this planner because I like decorating it, and a lot of like the blue color in here, I feel would make me stop from decorating my planner the way I actually want to. And also the entire page is pretty much set. The only thing I see is weekly pages allow a little bit of creativity because there's like plain page, it's not ruled, but all of the other pages are pretty much like packed. But it's nice for someone who don't really want to decorate, who just wants to use the planner as a productivity tool to do something in order to like set their goals, track them, and achieve them. I think this is a great tool for that. The price seems pretty good as well. I'm just trying to see if we have any other images. I don't think so. I think everything is like set. So yeah, I look at Oh, this comes in like dated one too. I'll actually look at the larger size planner in another video, like I mentioned. So yeah, here is the video. Let me know what you think about this planner. Also, if you have any other planners that you want me to do a walkthrough on, then definitely leave in the comments section. So yeah, guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.